Now it's time to push, or let's say publish our, or let's just push our image, Docker image, this image here, into the container registry like here. So let me just show the pipeline. The pipeline has to do with publish, Docker, tag, and push. So you can see here I have the image, this image in my Docker desktop here, you can see it. But here I just give it another, let's see, tag. So this is the new tag latest. And the command, it's easy, just Docker push to this registry, to this registry here. So now let me now just run this and see how to, so it's now working. As you can see, as I said, with each stage, it check out the branches. So it means it will delete everything and start from scratch. So now you can see here. So to start in a while, but let me just close this. And yeah, so what is the benefit of, let's see, pushing this image into the registry? So we can now, I mean, after a while, after that, we can use the, it's finished. Okay. So we can use this image, I mean, deploy this image into Kubernetes. Let me just see if everything is pushed. Yeah, everything is pushed. Now let me have a look here. Just refresh. Yeah, now with our image, let's have a look in the surfaces, repos, and now we can see our FastAPI Anoma Vision image. So this image here will be deployed in the let's see in the Kubernetes, but this will be next time. I haven't prepared this till now, and I think that's enough for today. And thanks for watching.